Hey everyone, and welcome to Shanghai. My name is Julia Jameson, and I'm a rising senior here at Trinity, and our program can't wait to show you around the city, so let's go!
吃饱了吗？啊，你好，我吃饱了，谢谢。不客气。
I really love walking around and exploring, especially at night. There's always something interesting to see.
Oh, hi there. My name is Daria Friedman, and I'm a rising junior. I'm an urban studies major right now interning at an urban studies consulting firm called Hallcrow, and I'm assisting in a project in Xiamen.
Hi, so getting an internship honestly wasn't that hard. You just give them your top 3 type of jobs you want to do, and then they go around and pick a company based off of that. And then after that you would get the interview to see if you like them, if they like you, and if it works, you got an internship.
Oh yes, there are many different foods here. There's a lot of different exotic foods commonly served here, such as pig brain, duck intestine, and gelatinous duck blood. Mmm, yum.
Hi, I've adjusted pretty well to Shanghai. I got the transportation system down within about the first week, and I love having staring contests with the locals.
Hi, my name is Dawson, and my 2 favorite places to visit so far on this trip to China have been the Great Wall of China and to Hangzhou, where Wuzhen is, which is a water town in China, and to the Tea Garden, which is also a lot of fun.
Hey guys, hope you don't mind me hacking the Trinity Instagram page for a split second. Just wanted to do an official sign off. But first off, my name is Bree Hawkins. I'm a double major in communications and theater. I'm a rising senior. I'm pretty sure there was a question about whether or not you had to take a business class to get involved with the program. If you had, the last bits of the snap were obviously cut off. Basically, you don't have to be a business major to get involved with the program. You don't have to take any business classes for it. You just show up to the info session. You find out you're interested, and then you apply for the program. You do the interview. If all goes well, you're in. And then you pretty much get an internship from there. It's just based on what you want to do. So yeah, that's all from us. Thanks for tuning in, and then hopefully you'll be in Shanghai next year. But until then, we'll see y'all. Later.